Today I'll teach you how to return JSON data from controller to view in ASP.NET MVC. So let's start. Now inside the person model. So here I have added two properties, name and date time. Now let's move to the view. Now here I am creating an HTML text box which will accept the name value. Then I am creating a button. So now I have inherited the jQuery minified file and will start writing a jQuery code. So first I am adding the document ready event handler. And inside that I'll assign a click event handler to the button. Now inside the click event handler I am calling $.post method, the very first parameter which is the URL of the action result method. Next I am setting the value of the name parameter, and the value of the name parameter is fetched from the name text box. Now I am specifying the success event handler. I am displaying the value of the name and also the value of the date time returned from the server side action method inside a JavaScript alert message box. Now let's move to the controller. Here I am adding action method. As you can see, the return type is JsonResult as we are returning a JSON object. Also, you will notice that I am accepting a parameter name, and this particular parameter will be sent from the client side. Inside the action method, I am creating an object of person model class. In the name property, I am setting the value of the name parameter. And in the date time property, I am setting the current date time. Finally, I am returning the person model class object after wrapping it inside the JSON function. Now I am decorating this particular action method with HTTP post attribute as it will be handling the HTTP post call. So with this we complete our programming part, and now it's time to run our project and see it in action. The label, the text box and the button has been rendered. So now I'll type in my name in the text box and I'll click on the button. As you can see, my name as well as the current date time from the server is being displayed in JavaScript alert message box. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell icon. Goodbye.